Hey, what's going on? In this video, we're going to talk about box and whisker plot, okay, and or diagram. This could also call like that. We haven't set a number here. We're going to use this number to find the values that are required, and then we will draw or sketch a box plot. First of all, the box plot is all about finding a median, the minimum value, the maximum value. The first and the second and the third quarter. The second quarter is the median if you want, and this is what we're going to be doing. And of course, we first need to rearrange this set number here in an increasing order. Okay, so let me have here we're having 1 is actually our first number, so we're going to write 1 here. That's a wrong color. You write the wrong pen. So we're going to have 1. Then the second one will be 3. I have it 3 twice. 3. Let me just cross it out so we know that they're gone already. Okay. Then I got a 6 twice also. Got a 6. Then I've got a 7 twice. And my last number is 10. So I can cross them out. All right. So now this is our value. This is the values we need, yeah, to complete this action, of generating the box and whisker plot. So we need a minimum, we need a maximum value, we need a median, Q1, which is the first quartile, Q2, the second quartile, and also the median, and Q3, which is the third quartile. So Q2 and median are the same. Okay, so let us just take a look here at our set of numbers to see what we can get. The minimum, as you can see here, is 1. This is our minimum, right? So we can write there 1. The maximum, our maximum, is the number 10. So we can write there 10. Our median, to find the median here, there are 2 ways to take it. Either you just count the number we got in our set here, add 1 and 8 and divide by 2, or you can count from the outside on both sides toward the middle, and when you get to the middle you can find your median. So this is the easiest way. It is to add, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to add 1 to 8 and divide by 2, and this is going to give us 9 and a half, and which is 4.5. all right, so I'm counting 4.5 from the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 somewhere here in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So this number we're looking for is halfway between 6 and 6. And what is this number? Of course it is 6. Then we have 6 right here. Okay, then we will find out our first quarter. Now we've separated our set of number into 1/2 above and 1/2 below. So now what we want to do now is we can put a line here. For example, the median is a green. We can put a line here and say that our median is right here. That's our median right there. And now we are going to find the middle of the middle. The median of median. So a median of each half above and below. Alright. So the half of it here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We can proceed like we did before. We have 4 plus 1 over 2, and this is 5.5 equals 2.5. So this number 1, 2.5, 1, 2.5. This number is halfway between 3 and 3, and it is actually 3. And Q2, this is what we said, is the median, so we can just connect both. And Q3 will be here. Let me just mark Q1 here. It is right here. This is Q1. This is the median, and Q3 is going to be coming here. And this is also the number halfway between 7 and 7. It is actually 7. Now we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 values. We can draw our box and whisker plot. So on this numbers line right here, we're going to represent all the value we have here to draw our box, okay, and whisker plot. Okay, we started with the median. We said that the median is 6. So on the numbers line here, we're going to represent a value to generate our box and whisker plot. The median is 6, so we can put, draw a median right here, 6. Okay, the first quarter is 3. The first quarter is 3. It's right here. Okay, the third quarter, I mean this is the second quarter. The third quarter is 7. 6, 7 right here. Right, and now we can put a maximum and minimum of this value right here. The maximum, the minimum is 1 here, and the maximum is 10. Okay, we can just just connect the other part of our box. Oh, that's the wrong column. So we having something like this. Look at the yellow column there. Okay, and on the top also connecting. And that's our box. Now we just need to connect the whiskers on it. Right here and right there, and this is our box here and the whiskers on the both sides. All right, and this is how you can represent box and whisker plot with the median in the middle. You can even put, like we said before, that put here the median, right there, the maximum. Over here, the minimum, the maximum, we should put max to make it different, the median, and then we got a quarter. This is the first quarter. This is the second quarter, or the median, and this is the third quartile. The third quartile. All right, and this is our box. Okay. All right. Now, let's take a look at this other example. Well, again, we want to find the minimum, the maximum, the median, the first quartile, and the third quartile. Let's take a look here. The first first of all, we need to order this number, in increasing order first of all, and that's our set of numbers in an increasing order. Now we want to cross, and find what we need. We can see the minimum here, right here now, is 2. So we're going to put 2 here. The maximum is 10. This value here, so we put 10. The median, okay, we're going to proceed like we did before. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 8 plus 1 divided by 2 is 4.5. 9.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our median is going to be here in the middle, here between 5 and 5, and actually it is 5 like we did before. To have a weight between these two numbers is 5, of course. And the first quartile is a median, I mean median of the median, so we find the median of these two right here. All right, we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 plus 1 divided by 2 like we did before, 2.5. And it is going to be 1, 2, and in the middle here. So we don't have the real number, an entire number, representing our middle here. So what we can do is we can just think about the halfway between 2 and 3. It is 2.5, of course. Otherwise, you can add these both numbers by saying that 2 plus 3. You can say 2 plus 3 divided by 2, and this is giving you 5.5, and of course it's 2.5. Okay, so we have in here our median first quartile. First quartile is Q1, and it is 2.5. And our second or the third quartile would also be Q3 would also be 2.5. Okay, so as you can see, we have everything, so we can just figure out our numbers line and plot our box and whisker diagrams. Now on our numbers line, we will represent our box and whisker plot. We got the median here is direct in the middle of 5. So we're going to plot the median right here. Then we've got the minimum value. The minimum value is 2. Put a dot right here. The 2. The maximum value is 10 again. Then the first quartile is 2.5. 2.5 right here. Okay, and the third quartile is this will be here 7.5. What did I say? 2.5, 7.5. Sorry, I mean the distance is 2.5, of course, but it is 7.5. 7.5. Okay, right here. The distance or the range in between these two numbers is 2.5 this way, 2.5 that way. Alright, 7.5 right here. So we can just connect our values or plots here right here. Okay, and then on the top also. Okay. And then now connect the whisker on it or to it. Alright. There's a gray line going here. So next one. Okay. Alright. And I can even bring this one direct on it and go like this. Okay, both ways it so. Alright, that's our box and whisker plot in this case. We're having a median here, and we're having the first quartile there, and the third quartile. This is the second one, it's already the median. And actually, it means that about 50%, this is what the box and whisker data set means, that about 50% of data are concentrated in these box right here. Then we have 25% here, and 25% below. Alright. Also, another thing that we can find from box and whisker plot that we might be interested in is the inner quartile range. Inner quartile range, and this is actually only the range, the length in between the third quartile, the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. And in this first case right here, the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile will be what we got here. The first quartile is 7 minus 3, and it is 4 in this case right here. And it is the inner range of the box. It means it's your 4. You count here. From here to there, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It is here. Or I made something wrong here. Oh, it was at 7 here. Yeah, the mistake. Okay. Alright, I hope you've noticed the mistake I've made here, I've done here. Actually, our third quartile was 7, but I've drawn it on 8. That was a bad mistake. So that's why I couldn't find my inner quartile range, which is Q3. And my inner quartile range, of course, is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the distance, or this range in between the first and the third, or the third to the first. And we're going to do the same thing here by finding the inner quartile range of this second example. The EIQR will be here. We just have to subtract 2.5 from 7.5, and it gives us, of course, we just say it's going to give us 5. And this is the inner quartile range of this second example, and that for the first example. I'm sorry for this mistake again. I hope this overview has helped you understand a little bit about box and whisker plot instead of my mistake right here. But everything is gonna be right. Just understand, if you got all the value, you can draw it by yourself. Okay? Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.